Alright, we got a 2018 Durango. It's an RT, it's got the Hemi motor in it. We removed everything on here to center, big resonator. We did a test run already. This thing, we put 2 classic chambered power sticks on it, X pipe, and then we joined them in with a couple of Flowmaster outlaws. Flowmaster outlaws in the back, X pipe, classic chambered power sticks. We went ahead and followed up with a couple of nice black tips. Looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and see what this thing sounds like. Alright, we're gonna see what this thing sounds like. Classic chamber power sticks and the Flowmaster outlaws.